Hello everyone, so first we're gonna start by taking a high ponytail and then we're gonna take the hair from sides and then tying it upon that by using this beautiful bow rubber bands, then repeating the same step 2 more times and then again 1 time. After that we're gonna secure the hair by using the final rubber band and you can see it is ready. Next, we're going to section our hair into 4 parts, making 2 ponytails and 2 braids and joining them together. Next, we are going to divide our hair into 2 parts, making 2 ponytails, twisting it around and making a bun out of it, then securing it with a clutcher. Next we are taking a high pony and then applying a ribbon on it. Then we're gonna divide the hair into 3 parts. Then start taking the hair from left side and passing it through the middle. Then passing the ribbon through that. After that we are going to take the hair again from the left side and again repeating the same steps again and again till this braid is formed. After that we are going to secure it by using a rubber band or anything, and then you can see your simple yet easy braid is completed. You can even use some clips or clutches to it if you want. Let's move ahead by taking hair from front and then applying a rubber band on them. Again apply a rubber band and then to the rest of the pony we are going to make a braid, and then we are going to make 2 ponytails at the bottom and joining the braids with the ponytail and then converting the ponies into braid and folding them with the help of this rubber band.